Alright, so in this video, we're going to go from this to this. Okay, so I'm going to pull fuse 19 right here and start the truck. And that should allow it to drain some of the gas out. Okay, so the 20 amp fuse was pulled, the truck was almost started, now it should be out of gas. Now we just pull the fuel filter and have goggles on, have a towel ready. Okay, so we'll locate the fuel filter. It's pretty much right here between the door, right there at the seam of the door, the front and back door. There it is right there. Okay, so to change the fuel filter, you'll need a regular screwdriver, regular flathead, and you need some of these to release the pressure, to release the line. The first thing I'm going to do actually is kind of get that a little bit out of the way. I've already started the truck with without the fuse 19, which will drain the fuel lines. So hopefully that'll keep spillage to a minimum. Make sure you have a catch can available and keep all electric away from any potential spill spots. Okay, so first thing, there's a little keeper on here that needs to come off. There we go. Let's get the front one off. I'm going to go and pull the back one. Alright. There we go. Got the clip off. Now this one's up for debate. Should this come off or not first? I'm going to go ahead and take it off so I don't have to worry about it while gasoline's dripping out of it. Okay. The other one. Got it off. Okay, so it's drained out. Now then, hopefully there we go. Got that out. Okay, now this goes towards the front of the engine. This towards the back. Make sure you get them in the correct way. In theory, your new one should have some little rubber ends on it. You could place on those, but mine did not. So next, I'm gonna go and connect this one. I'm gonna put it in first. Let's go. There we go. Okay. Put it in. Should hear it click. Should put that thing back on there. So put that one on. There we go. Get that click. There we go. Got that in. Put the clamp back on. Okay, put the clamps back on. Okay, keep that out of the way. All connections on. It's good and tight. So again, there's the set. The yellow one did the trick. Oh yeah, and next put the fuse 19, the 20 amp fuse back in. Power it up just for the fuel pump. Turns like you're going to start it, but don't start it. Listen for the fuel pump to pressure up. Once it pressures up, then I'll check it for leaks. Then I'll start it and check it for leaks again. Alright, so here's fuse 19. Fuse 19 going back in. Maybe. There we go. Close that down, latch it. Go ahead and close the hood. Okay, now I'll just turn it on. I should have pressured it up. Okay, no leaks, it all looks good. Let's try to start it real quick. Okay, kill it, and I'll check for leaks one more time. Okay, so it all looks good. So pack all my tools up, drop it down off the ramps, and everything should be good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.